let's look at a production budget example. This says Trader Cycles manufactures chainless bicycles. On March 31st, Trader Cycles had 220 bikes in inventory. The company has a policy that the ending inventory in any month must be 30% of the following month's expected sales. Trader Cycles expects to sell the following number of bikes in each of the next 4 months. Prepare a production budget for the second quarter. Okay, so I've gone ahead and set up a sample production budget for us so we can see here. And then we just need to start filling in. So our unit sales come from our sales budget. Again, we would have to go back to the sales budget to pull this information if it wasn't given. So we anticipate that we are going to sell 1,000 units in April, 1180 in May, and 1320 in June. We're not going to put the July number in our production budget per se, but we do need that. And the reason is because the ending inventory in any month must be 30% of the following month's expected sales. So 30% of my May 1180 means that I need 354 units in desired ending inventory. That would be 1180 times 354. I'm sorry, times 30%. Is 354. Okay, and we would do that for every month. So June, 30% of the June sales would be 396, and 30% of the one would be July times, again, 30. And that should be 360. So we put 360 here. That's why we need July. So the total needed, again, we just add those two together. If we're going to sell 1,000 units and we want 354 in ending inventory, that means I need 1,354. 1576 in May and 1680 in June. Let me go back and I'll fill this in as well. 3,500 then if I add together April, May, and June numbers. 360 will be my desired ending inventory at the end of the quarter. So that means 3860 here. Less our beginning inventory. Okay, so if we look back here, it says that we had 220 bicycles in inventory. So that would have been my beginning inventory in April. Take the 1354 minus my beginning inventory. That means I need to produce in April 1,134 bikes. Now as we go through here, you're wondering, well, what is my beginning inventory for May? Well, my beginning inventory would have been my desired ending inventory. So we'll carry that down, 354. 1576 minus 354 gives us 1222. And we do the same thing here, 396. Oops, put a 9 in there. So 1680 minus 396 is 1284. 220 would have been my beginning inventory at the beginning of the quarter. So it says we need to produce 3,640 units during the quarter.